Welcome all physics tutorial class further. My name is Waktola. In this video, we'll be discussing on the 5 equations of uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion divided into two categories, linear motion and rotational motion. Today we'll discuss on the linear one. The 5 equations of uniformly accelerated motion means such as S is equal to average velocity times time. Final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Distance traveled is equal to half the final velocity plus initial velocity times time. And the fourth one is what S is, or distance traveled is equal to the product of initial velocity times time plus half at squared. And the last one is final velocity squared is equal to initial velocity squared plus 2as. When A is acceleration, S is what the distance traveled. From this one, when we come to the 5 equation, how to generating, let's start from the first one. Solving distance travel using average velocity, average speed, or we can say velocity and time taken. When we come to solving the first one, average velocity S is equals to the average velocity AB means initial velocity plus final velocity by 2 times time. Let me say this is what equation 1. The second equation that we generate from what generating from average velocity, or we can say average speed. Average velocity or average speed. From this one, V average is equal to final velocity plus initial velocity over 2, which is equal to displacement, or we can say distance over time taken. When we come to this one, which implies that final velocity plus initial velocity over 2, which is equal to S over T. This is the other equation. From the given this one, to eliminate T from this one, let me multiply by what? V final plus initial velocity over time, which is equal to S over T. From this one, let me multiply this side by T, which implies that V final velocity plus initial velocity over 2 times time is equal with what? S over T times T. From this one, T cancel with T, and from this we can say that S is equal to 1, bring it 1 out of the bracket, 1 over 2 V final plus initial velocity times time. Har'a kan waliin ilaalaa jirru dhimmoota wal qixaa guudaa sochii wal fakkaataadha. Inni guudaa sochii wal fakkaataa kallattii lamaan ilaaluu dandeenya. Kani liinirii yookaan daandii sirriitti daandii martoo jechuu dandeenya. Isaan kana keessaatii tokko jennee kan jalqabne fageenya adeemame irraa fayyadamnee fageenya adeemame average velocity fayyadamnee furuudha kan ilaalle. Fageenya adeemame maal bakka buufne? V AC bakka buufne, average velocity immoo V 18 bakka buufne. Inni lammaffaan generating average speed irraati maal bakka derive gochaa jirra distance traveled means average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus saffisa xumura edoo saffisa jalqaba irra lamaati displacement over time jenne fageenya adeemame irraa yeroo tuqate jenne hima kana yeroo waliin qixxaasaa goonu gama lamaanuu maaliin gochuu barbaade t kana balleessuu barbaade hima kana gara isaatti geesse v isa xumuraa da'uu isa jalqaba irra lamaa kana kallattii lamaan tiidhaan baay'ee tiin koo gama kanaan dhuftee naa baay'ifte gama kanaan dhuftee naa baay'ifte tiin t wal balleessite gama kanatti tiin qofa tafe asii maal qofatu naa hafe isheen kuni s qofatu naa hafe jechuudha s is equals to asii immoo maal godhe 1/2 kana bakkeettan baafadhe 1/2 into braaketii keessatti v final plus initial velocity times time jedhe. When we come to the third one, solving distance travel using average speed or speed. No matter we can say speed or velocity. Speed means it is what? Scalar. Speed is scalar. Velocity is what? A vector depending on what? The speed and the time taken. And the time taken. From the given this one, when we come to average s is equals to average velocity times time. From the above. What is the average velocity? When we come to here, average velocity is equal to final velocity plus initial velocity over 2. So I can insert the given this one into the equation. V final plus initial velocity over 2 in bracket times time. But from the given this one, when we come to average velocity, initial velocity can be represented initial velocity, but final velocity is equal to initial velocity times time. Initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Acceleration times time. So instead of this one, I can insert this one. From the given this one, average velocity is times, so initial velocity is equal to this one. So from this one, I can rewrite instead of t, instead of v final, I can write what? Initial velocity plus what? Acceleration times time plus what? Initial velocity in bracket times what? Times time. So when we bring this in one, average velocity is what? This is what the average velocity. Average velocity is what? 1/2. So here we have what? 1/2 means here is what? 1/2. Let me bring out the 1/2 in out of the bracket, which means initial velocity plus initial velocity, the center, plus what? Acceleration times time in out bracket t. So from the given, when we distribute this one, initial velocity plus initial velocity is what? 2 initial velocity, which means 1/2 times 2 initial velocity plus 1/2 t square. T also multiplied with this one. From the given this one, 2 cancel with 2, 1/2, which is equals to initial velocity plus t times t square, which is 1/2 t square. This is also other equation we use what? Solve the among the 5 uniformly accelerated motion. The third one, this is what the third one. When we come to the other one, average, we can generate what? From uniformly accelerated motion, uniformly accelerated motion, we can solve acceleration. Acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. This is a equilibrium equation. So here is what? 1. Let me multiply this with this one. This can be multiplied with this one, and this can be multiplied with this one, and which implies that acceleration times time plus v final minus initial velocity which is equal to acceleration. Great mistake. This is what equal acceleration times time. To get the value of this one or final velocity, we can rewrite as well final velocity minus initial velocity to eliminate this one plus initial velocity, which is equal to acceleration times time plus what? Initial velocity. So this is a negative, this is positive, they cancel with each other. From this one we can see that final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration times time. This is the other equations we can derive from the uniformly accelerated motion. When we come to the fixed one, let me start from how to solve this equation. Solving distance level travel using average speed and time taken. Let me start from what? S is equal to average velocity times time. From this one, from uniformly accelerated motion, we know that acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Let me rearrange this equation. Here, this acceleration times with this one, and this is multiplied with this one, which implies that acceleration times time, which is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. To get the value of t, we have to divide this side to a, this side is also to a. A cancel with a, which implies that t is equal to final velocity, initial velocity over what? A. And from the previous one, I have average velocity means simply the average final velocity plus initial velocity over 2 times. Let me select this one. And S is equal to in bracket final velocity plus initial velocity times, instead of t, I have what? Initial final velocity minus initial velocity over what? Over A. When we rearrange this equation, means from the given this one, I have average velocity is what? Great mistake, over 2. Let me bring out 1 over 2A in bracket V final plus initial velocity times final velocity in minus initial velocity over the time. The product of this one is 1 over 2A in bracket final velocity minus initial velocity square. This side I have what? 2s. Let me multiply both sides by what? By 2a. From this one, 2as, which is equal to 2a times 1 over 2a in bracket v final square minus initial square. From the given this one, 2a, 1 over 2a cancel with this one, and I have 2as, which is equal to final velocity square minus initial velocity square. Let me find the value of this one, means to eliminate this side, means plus initial velocity this side, initial velocity square, and also adding initial velocity into this side, initial velocity. From this one, final velocity square is equal to 2as plus initial velocity square. This is how we can derive the final velocity of the given objects. Walumaa galaa guyyaarraa kan wal wajjin ilaalaa jiru bu'uura sochii wal fakkaataa daandii sirrii keessatti akkamitti hima wal qixaa shananii yookaan hima wal qixaa bu'uura sochii wal fakkaataa shananii akkaataa itti turuu ilaallee jirra. Gabaabaadhumatti asirraati fageenya furuuf barbaadeen jira. Fageenya furuuf barbaaduuf immoo average velocity fi taayimiin fayyadamee. Average velocity jechuun initially finally jedhee walitti lamaa ta'ee taayimiidhaaf jedhee isa booda bifa final velocity kana ammoo jijjiiree dhimma kanarraan qaba. Iddoo dhimma kanarraatii qabu finally fayyadamu buuse kana bifa kana jijjiiree iddoo finally kana maal buuse initial plus 18 jedhee jalaati meeqa qaba? Tokko lama qaba. Dhimma kana yeroo arrange godhee ilaallu final fageenya adeemame wal qixataa s is equal to initial velocity times time plus half at square jedhee asirraati immoo ruulaa furuudhaaf jedheetanii dhimma walqixaa sochii daandii sirrii irratti acceleration walqixaa saffisa jalqabaa hir'isuu saffisa jalqabaa saffisa xumuraa hir'isuu saffisa jalqabaa irra yerooti. Asirraati immoo maayinal gadhee faayinaalii gadhee isa xumuraa irratti faayinaal velocity furuudhaaf dhimma kana fayyadamee fure. Kanaaf guyyaa har'aa baay'ee nama barbaachisu keessumaa barattoota saayinsii baratanii fiiziksiidhaa fi maatisii keessatti waa'ee isin barbaachisu isinii furee jira. Kanaaf barattoonni sirriitti haalaan itti fayyadamaa jecha viidiyoo kanaan torbeen yeroo tokko isinii dhiyaatu argachuudhaaf viidiyoo kana chaanaalii kana laayikii, sabiskiraabii fi sheerii gochuu hin dagatinaa. Galatooma.